Hey, what's up, investors? Jason here, and in this video, we're going to be talking about DiDi Group, ticker symbol DIDI. Now, DiDi Group just recently had their IPO on June 30th, and this has been a very interesting one because this stock has had a whole lot of people looking forward to this IPO, and it didn't really perform as many people have been wanting it to be. But then again, IPOs are so unpredictable in general, and especially for a company that is headquartered in China, which DiDi is a ride-sharing company in China, or you can call them a technology company because their main part of the business is, of course, ride-sharing like Uber, but they are focusing on trying to get into the whole autonomous driving industry. That's something that they are working on. Now, you can say that they are a competitor with Uber, but at the same time, Uber is also a very big investor into DiDi Group. Uber owns about 12.8% of this company. So Uber is very heavily invested into them. And Uber is not doing ride sharing in China. They bought DiDi for that reason because it was very competitive in China. And Uber instead made an investment in the DiDi. And so far, because the stock has gone public, that has really worked out for Uber, I should say. But there are some things going on right now with the stock just after it went public. These couple days here have been pretty rocky, and especially on Friday, July 2nd. So I want to get to everything that is going on. So as I get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. As you know, that helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread these videos to more people that might find them interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. And if you're interested in being a Patreon and helping support this channel even more, I do have one. There is a link in the description, and there is a private Discord available to all the Patreons. Thank you to all the Patreons. Now let's get to this. Now for some background on the company. They were founded in 2012. DiDi said it has 493 million annual active riders and 41 million average daily transactions. It began expanding internationally in 2018, and the company now operates in 14 countries outside of China. In addition to traditional ride hauling, DiDi is heavily invested in making autonomous taxis a reality and operates several segments around mobility. So this is DiDi Global stock here, ticker symbol DIDI. Now DiDi did have their IPO on June 30th here in the United States, and just like all those IPOs, man, this one really took off, had a whole lot of volume activity going on during that day. And then what happens? Well, then there's quite a big sell-off that usually does happen afterwards, and we did see the stock drop down quite a bit. Now, if we look at what the stock has been just trading for over these past couple days here, DiDi stock has been trading between $14.10 and $18.01, and right now the stock currently is at $15.53 at the time of making this video. Now, I also want to point out that DiDi has a market cap of $79.33 billion. So this is a pretty big company, by the way. Now, with all this volatility here that we're seeing here recently right now, though, this isn't 100% natural stock just coming out on the market type stuff, though. There is a little bit more to this, and that is that there are some security concerns. China announces cybersecurity review just days after the IPO. So that's why we're seeing a bit more volatility in DiDi right now. And that is DiDi shares closed down 5.3% Friday after China, where the company is based, announced a cybersecurity review of it. According to an English translation of China's announcement, new users will not be able to register for DiDi ride-hauling service during the country's cybersecurity review. At least they still have all their original signups, which is millions of users. Now, China's move comes just days after DiDi held its IPO on the New York Stock Exchange. The stock was poised to show another day of gains after closing up nearly 16% on Thursday. Shares of DiDi had risen about 5% in the pre-market trading before China released its announcement. DiDi said in a statement it would fully cooperate during the review. We plan to conduct comprehensive examination of cybersecurity risk and continuously improve our cybersecurity systems and technology capacities, a spokesperson told CNBC in an email. Then DiDi goes on to say, we cannot assure you that the regulatory authorities will be satisfied with our self-inspection results or that we will not be subject to any penalty with respect to any violations of anti-monopoly, anti-unfair competition, pricing, advertisement, privacy protection, food safety, product quality, tax, and other related laws and regulations. We expect that these areas will receive greater and continued attention and scrutiny from regulators. Now, China has been cracking down on these IPOs. If you remember, a while back ago, we were talking about Ant Group on this channel, and Ant Group also had the same type of regulatory problems, and it created a big issue for them to see an IPO, and it also created a bunch of fines for Alibaba. Regulators hit Alibaba with a $2.8 billion fine in April, saying the company abused its market dominance. Now, hopefully, DiDi does not see those same issues that Ant Group saw, and hopefully things can start moving along here soon. Now, DiDi earned a profit in the first quarter of 2021, earning 196 million yuan, roughly $30.3 million. The annual revenue fell 8.4% to 141.7 billion yuan, which is about $21.6 billion in 2020. DiDi reported annual losses in 2018, 2019, and 2020. DiDi's app boosted nearly 600 million users and driver partners, and an average of 60 million daily trips in 2021. Major shareholders include SoftBank Vision Fund, who has 21.5%, Uber, who has 12.8%, and Tencent, who has 6.8%. Now, I'm not sure exactly how this forecast is going to be playing out here in the future, but right now, based off of just two analysts offering a 12-month price forecast for DiDi Global, they have a median target of $21.87 and a high target of $24.95. So right now, DiDi sitting at $15.40 is still lower than the low forecast here on DiDi stock. So there is a pretty good opportunity, at least what the analysts are thinking, to make some money here with DiDi stock. Now, of course, I'm not saying that. I'm not telling you guys to buy this stock. This video is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. But I think that there is a whole lot of potential there with DiDi. Now, I personally am not invested in DiDi right now. I'm going to be waiting to find out what happens with all those regulations, because I don't want to jump on this right now if there is an opportunity to be getting this stock at a much lower price. So anyways, with that being said, I'd like to hear what you guys have to say about DiDi. Is there anybody out there that has already purchased this stock or looking to purchase this stock? I'd like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching it. I'll see you all in the next video coming very soon.